Ryan here, and I am on my way to Bowling Green, Kentucky to interview for a potential spot on season 21 of Big Brother. So this is just a look at what goes on at these Big Brother auditions, and come check it out. Alright guys, so I just got out of the interview process. It took me a good 2 hours of sitting there waiting for my number to be called. Once my number was called, we were all centered in a room. We then walked into a separate room with a camera, 90 seconds to answer the questions that were given, show off our personality, our talents, our reasoning for why we should be on the show. And after doing so, this is my third time around, I felt fairly good about it, so hopefully I'll get a call and hopefully you guys will see me on Big Brother 21.
Thanks for checking out the channel. Did you like what you saw? Come back for more. Stay subscribed to see all of our upcoming content. See you soon.